Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. You do have the soft cover on top. That's going to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise and audio controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and a tape deck, dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.